To enable telematics in Truxo, head to Settings, then Integrations. Truxo supports two telematics providers, Samsara and Motive. Let's connect Samsara for this demo. Paste your Samsara API key and click Connect. Truxo immediately starts syncing your fleet data. Once connected, a new Telematics tab appears on the sidebar. This is your full Samsara data inside Truxo. Here, you can see every truck from Samsara with real-time data: odometer, fuel capacity, DEF level, engine status, and speed. Filter trucks by status: moving, idle, or stopped, to see exactly what's happening across your fleet. The best part? No manual linking. Truxo auto-maps every truck by VIN number, so your Samsara fleet syncs directly with your Truxo fleet records. Data refreshes every 10 minutes, keeping everything current. And this live data powers your ETAs and load progress tracking, so dispatchers always know where every truck is without a single phone call. In rare cases where a truck doesn't auto-link, maybe the VIN doesn't match, you can link it manually. Open the truck, switch to the Telematics tab. Under Link Telematics Vehicle, pick the vehicle from your telematics provider in the dropdown and hit Link. Done! The truck is now paired.